Phadria Kepple beat Daniela Silveira 6-2, 6-2 to take the women's Class B title at the NCB King Alarm Tennis Tournament played recently at the NCB Sports Club in Kingston.
It was first time I'm playing Daniela. She's a good player, but I just, kept a positive mindset, and I really played my game. Had her coming forward and backward. I had her moving, and it really worked. So I'm really happy that I won.
In the men's competition, Ricardo Chambers won the Class 2 final, beating Rudy Jackson 6-1, 7-6, while Avoy Cruikshank took Class 3, beating Stephen McConnell 6-1, 6-2.
Anything in my life, as hard as I've worked for this, and to actually come out here today and get it done is amazing. I came into this tournament just wanting to do my best, just wanting to execute with each match and to go through, not drop a set for the entire tournament, beat the number one, beat the number two in straight sets. I just couldn't have asked for anything more.
The mixed doubles was won by the team of Kobe Wilcott and Brian Lumley after, they beat Kepple and Yannick Simpson 6-love, 6-7, 12-10.